Welcome, everyone. It's Shari Carroll for SimonsStamp.com, and we have something really special. This is our limited edition love card kit, and it is called Happy Mail. I'll start you off with the 6x8 stamp set. This is also Happy Mail, and if you can tell, it is designed in collaboration with Doodlebug. So it has all sorts of images in which you can share some mail, either by truck, car, balloon, or in person, and it has great messages at the bottom for either Valentine's or every day. We're also including a 4¼ by 5½ sentiment strip, and this is the reverse, and it's all about love and missing you. We're also including a Simon Says Stamp glue stick, and this is a stick type that you can just unscrew to raise the glue, and a nice tight fitting cap. We have a fun die for you. This is a 2-piece die. It comes together. You'll want to clip it apart with your snippers so you can die cut the words and also a shadow. And this die says, "Lovingly, I think I'll keep you," and it has a sweet little heart that goes right in the open area. Also included in this kit is a burlap clutch with a polka dot liner. You can use this to store all your tools together or put some treats in there and give it away as a Valentine's gift. Another fun item for Valentine's is the Tim Holtz Ideology Heart Adornments. You can use your alcohol inks or paints to color these however you'd like, or they're also beautiful as they are. Next up is a 1-gram jar of Sizzix hearts, and these come in several sizes. They're metallic and they will lay flat, so if you want to put them in a shaker card, they're perfect for that, or also to add as embellishments for your cards. To go with your stamps, we're also including Doodlebug papers. These are from their Lots of Love collection, and they have those perfect Doodlebug colors. You'll get 12 double-sided papers with amazing patterns that will all coordinate together. Some of the patterns include hearts, but there are some that have florals, so you can also use these for your early spring cards. And I always like the ones that you can cut apart that have the tags, bookmarks, and small panels, which are perfect to use for crafting with the kids so they can create their own small valentines, or even to create little tags to put on candies to give away to their friends at school. So once again, that's 12 double-sided sheets from Doodlebug's Lots of Love collection, which coordinate perfectly with our Happy Mail stamp set. And to go with your papers and stamps, we're also including a package of odds and ends ephemera. Also from Doodlebug, there are 136 pieces in this pack, and these are quite a bit larger than you'll see in some of the other ephemera packages. There are so many different types of images in here. They are colored just like the papers, so they will coordinate perfectly. But be sure to go through your packages really well to find the pieces that pair well together, and then you can create some scenes or stack together to make small arrangements. And brand new for this kit is the Heart Chain 6x6 stencil from Simon Says Stamp. This is perfect for using with your gels, pastes, or ink blending onto your cardstocks. We're including some envelopes. You'll get 3 of the small Simon Says Stamp envelopes, and those are perfect for gift cards. We also have a regular white envelope, and that has that peel away adhesive, and also a slimline cotton candy envelope with the peel away adhesive. And finally, you'll get 4 cardstocks in Doll Pink, Cotton Candy, and Surf, 100-pound cardstocks from Simon Says Stamp, and also a 110 Nina White cardstock. I'll start you off with Nina's card where she used the stencil for a background and then die cut her message with the Surf cardstock and finished off with her sentiment strip, "I love you." Susan Opal created an elegant background using the stencil and some Simon Says Stamp Cherry glitter gel on red cardstock for a tone-on-tone look. Susie Plantamera stamped and colored an entire background using the stamp set and finished it off with a stamped greeting at the bottom. And finally, Beth Opal used the heart adornments along with some pattern paper and sentiment strip message to create a slimline card. I hope you've enjoyed this reveal and inspiration of our card kit Love 2022. Remember that it is a limited edition and will only be available while supplies last. I have links available in the description box below on how to purchase this kit, along with our blog post with additional inspiration. Be sure to visit us on all of our social media networks, and as always, thanks so much for watching.